Hello all, welcome to NSC Maths. Next example, find series solution of 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus 4y equals to 0. So first of all we compare this with p0 of x d square y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x into y equals to 0. We will get the value of p0 of x is 1 minus x square, value of p1 of x is minus x, and value of p2 of x is 4. Now see, value of p0 of 0 is equals to 1. So this is not equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 0 is ordinary point. This x is equals to 0 is ordinary point. That means we can suppose the solution for this given differential equation can be written y is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot dot. That means it is in series form. Summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak x to k. Now we have to calculate dy by dx and d square y by dx square to put here. So the dy by dx is equals to differentiating this series y, differentiating y. So you will get summation k varies from 1 to infinity k into ak x to k minus 1, and value of d square y by dx square, it is equals to summation k varies from 2 to infinity k into k minus 1 ak x to k minus 2. So put the value of y dy by dx and d square y by dx square in the given equation. We will get 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. It is summation k varies from 2 to infinity k into k minus 1 ak x to k minus 2. Then next is minus x into dy by dx. dy by dx is summation k varies from 1 to infinity k into ak x to k minus 1 plus 4 times y is summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak x to k equals to 0. So the first of all simplify this, that means multiply 1 minus x square inside and separate the terms, also multiply minus x inside the series. So when you multiply this 1 to series, so this series becomes as it is. You will get this as summation k varies from 2 to infinity k into k minus 1 ak x to k minus 2. Then this minus sign, and when you multiply this x square to this series, so the inside the series x square into x to k minus 2, it becomes x to k, and remaining term will get as it is. That means summation k varies from 2 to infinity k into k minus 1, this ak as it is, and x square into this x to k minus 2 will get x to k. Minus, when you multiply x inside, so we will get summation k varies from 1 to infinity k into ak, this term as it is, and x into x to k minus 1, you will get x to k, plus summation k varies from 0 to infinity 4 times ak into x to k equals to 0. Now after simplifying we will get the different terms. If you see here, the term of x having power k minus 2, here the term of x having power k, here is also power of x is k, and here is also power of x is k. So you have to make the power of x same. So for that we just put here value of k is m plus 2, so that you will get here m plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, you will get power of x is m. Same here we have to make power of x is m. So for this part we have to put k is equals to m. Also here we have to put k is equals to m to get the power of x as a m, and here is also put k is equals to m to get the power of x as a m. Then after putting this, we will get here summation value of k is m plus 2 is equals to 2 to infinity, m plus 2, k minus 1 is m plus 1, a m plus 2, x is to m plus 2 minus 2, minus sign, summation k varies from 2 to infinity, k is equals to m is there, so m is varies from 2 to infinity, m into m minus 1, am x is to m, minus summation m varies from 1 to infinity, m into am x is to m, and plus last term summation m varies from 0 to infinity, 4am x is to m is equals to 0. Now simplifying the first term, so this m minus 2, the m plus 2, 2 goes to RHS, it becomes m is equals to 2 minus 2, that means 0. Therefore m is equals to 0 to infinity, remaining all term as it is, no change in the remaining terms. Here 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, the power is x is to m, minus remaining 3 terms as it is, m varies from 2 to infinity, m into m minus 1, am x is to m, minus summation m varies from 1 to infinity, m into am into x is to m, plus summation m varies from 0 to infinity, 4am x is to m is equals to 0. Now after making the power of x is same, you will get the power of x is m in each term. Now you have to start the series for same point. Here the first series is start from m equals to 0. The second series start from m equals to 2. Third series start from m is equals to 1. And fourth series start from m is equals to 0. So to make similar things, or to make the series start from the same point, here the maximum m is start from 2. So you have to make remaining all series start from 2. So to make here first series start from 2, you have to put value of m is equals to 0 and m is equals to 1. So when you put m is equals to 0, here you will get 0 plus 2 is equals to 2 into 0 plus 1 is 1 into a2 x is to 0 is 1, plus m is equals to 1, so you will get 1 plus 2 is 3 into 1 plus 1 is 2 and a 3 into x is to 1, that is x. And this remaining series m varies from 2 to infinity as it is, m plus 2, m plus 1, am plus 2 x is to m. Now second series as it is, minus summation m varies from 2 to infinity, m into m minus 1, am into x is to m. Third series we have to make it start from 2. So put m is equals to 1, you will get minus value of m is 1, so 1 into a1 x is to 1, minus sign again, and series start from 2 to infinity, m am x is to m. Then the last series also you have to start from 2. So put m is equals to 0 and 1. When you put m equals to 0 here, so you will get 4 times a0 x is to 0. And when you put m is equals to 1, you will get 4 times a1 x is to 1. And remaining series start from 2 to infinity, 4am x is to m is equals to 0. Now from this whole equation, collect the constant terms. So which are the constant term? This is our constant term. This is not a constant term. This is also the constant term. So collect the constant term, you will get 2a2 plus 4a0. This is constant term. Then terms of x. This is terms of x. This is also terms of x, and this is also terms of x. Collecting it, we will get 6a3 minus a1 plus 4a1 into x, plus, now after collecting the coefficients of x, see the remaining terms, you will get the series, and all series start from 2, and also the power of x is m. So collecting all series, so write m equals to 2 to infinity. Here m plus 2 into m plus 1 am plus 2 for this series, plus m into m minus 1 am for this series, minus of m, and for this series plus 4 is minus of m into m plus 4 am into x raised to m equals to 0. Now equating the coefficient 0, so we will get 2a2 plus 4a0 equals to 0. So find out the value of a2 in terms of a0. So we will get a2 equals to minus 2a0. Then we equate the coefficient of x to 0. So we will get 6a3 minus a1 plus 4a1, that means 3a1 equals to 0. This implies a3 is equals to minus of 3 upon 6, that is minus 1 by 2 a1. And equate the coefficient of x raised to m to 0. So we will get m plus 2 into m plus 1 am plus 2 plus, now all these three terms contains am, so collect it. So we will get this plus times m square minus m. See here this term is negative, second term is negative, so you have to make here negative sign. So this is minus m square and minus m into minus 1, that is plus m. Then this is again minus of m, and last one is plus 4 into am. This is coefficient of x raised to m equal to 0. Once again see m plus 2, m plus 1, am plus 2. Then this second term is actually negative, minus m into m, that is minus m square, minus m into minus 1, that is plus m. Then this minus m and this plus 4 into am. All term contains this term and this term contains am is equals to 0. Now this is equals to m plus 2 into m plus 1 am plus 2 plus, we will get here minus m square plus 4 am equals to 0. So that means it can be written as am plus 2 is equals to, this term goes to RHS, we will get plus m square and minus 4 am upon this m plus 2 into m plus 1. This is equals to m square minus 4 can be written as m minus 2 m plus 2 into am upon m plus 2 m plus 1. So this is equals to m plus 2 get cancelled, we will get m minus 2 upon m plus 1 am. This is am plus 2, which is recurrence relation. Now we already calculated the value of a2 and a3. Now we are going to calculate the value of a4, a5 by using this recurrence relation. So to calculate a4, put m is equals to 2. So we will get a4 is equals to 2 minus 2 0 upon 2 plus 1 3 into a2, that is 0. Then for a5 put m equals to 3. So you will get a5 is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 3 plus 1 is 4 a3, and value of a3 is equals to minus 1 by 2 a1. So it is 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 2 times a1. So you will get minus 1 by 8 a1, and so on. Therefore our solution y is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x is to 4 plus a5x is to 5 plus dot 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 After putting the values of a2, a3, a4, a5, it becomes a0 as it is, a1x as it is. Value of a2 is minus 2 a0 into x square. Value of a3 is minus 1 by 2 a1 x cube. Value of a4, it is 0, so this term becomes 0. Value of a5, it is minus 1 by 8 a1 into x is to 5 plus dot 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 and so on. So collecting terms of a0, so you will get a0 into 1 minus 2x square plus dot dot dot. Collecting the terms of a1, so you will get a1 into, this term is x, then this term is minus x cube by 2, and this term is minus x is to 5 by 8. Remaining terms as a dot dot dot. Now see, since value of a2 is 0, we will get a4 0. Similarly, we will get a6 0, a8 0. So these are the only two terms for the containing a0. So you will get here a0 into 1 minus 2x square. Remaining terms have a 0 because here a4 you will get 0, a6 is 0, like that. So you will get only two terms of a0 and plus a1 into x minus x cube by 2 minus x is to 5 by 8 dot 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 remaining terms. So this is our general solution which contains the two arbitrary constants. So remaining examples we will see in the next video. Thank you.